Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the controller down and removing any batteries or cables so nothing shorts while you work. Once done, clear a bright workspace and lay out a soft cloth to protect finishes. Use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger to remove the visible screws and gently pry open seams. You want to avoid snapping plastic clips. Make sure to store screws in order so reassembly is painless and mark any tiny parts with tape. You now inspect the button membranes, rubber pads, and PCB traces for dirt, sticky residue, or corrosion, because grime often causes poor contact. Once identified, gently dab with a 90% plus isopropyl swab and blow out dust with short compressed air bursts. Avoid prolonged spraying. If the rubber conductive pads are worn or torn, replace them, and if springs or clips are corroded, swap those parts. You reassemble by carefully aligning each rubber pad and button stem, making sure springs and clips sit flush. Then hand tighten screws in an alternating pattern so the shell sits evenly. Once reassembled, connect and test every button, trigger, and stick on your console or PC and run a calibration to rule out firmware offsets. If a button still fails, consider replacing the PCB or joint component. If all else fails, one key troubleshooting tip: swap suspect parts with known good spares to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.